CrustNet.
So these plots are set up with a permanent monitoring quadrat at the center. This will never have destructive sampling. And then we'll have an outer quadrat where all of the destructive sampling takes place. In year 1, you will have a pre-disturbance measurement here and a post-disturbance measurement here. And then in year 2, you'll be measuring in this zone, and in year 3, you'll measure in this zone. If you have a bunch of plants or rocks that are in the way of your measurements, then there are some extra sampling zones that you can utilize. Figure 9b in the CrustNet protocol shows these sampling zones in detail. Be sure to bring a copy of this figure to the field so that you know where to take measurements for specific time points. So your next step after all of your functional measurements have been finished is to disturb the plot. And so you can use a 3-pound sledgehammer, something like this, and you're going to follow the protocol to figure out how many times you're going to hit the plot. We recommend a controlled short swing. Hold the sledgehammer above the soil surface, elevate the hammer to nearly vertical, allow the hammer to fall with the force of gravity, and guide the hammer fall to a desired location. Avoid striking the same surface repeatedly. For a 100% disturbance, this process may take a few minutes. The disturbance gradient experiment includes 5 treatment levels named for the percent of the surface area disturbed: 100, 75, 50, 25, and 0%. You will make use of 2 randomly selected control plots for the 0% disturbance treatment. And so once the surface has been disturbed, then you can go through and make all those same measurements in the post-sampling zone of the plot. So that will include measuring cover in your center frame, surface roughness, water infiltration, carbon and nitrogen fixation tubes, soil aggregate stability, and getting another bag of soil from the 0 to 1 centimeter portion of the soil.